Hey there! Now, today for language arts, we get to know another really fun thing. Now, today in language arts, you're going to be talking about and picking the things that match a feeling in a picture. So, I wrote up here feelings should match pictures because just like we've talked about this year, how it matters whenever you're talking to somebody what your face says, not just what your mouth says, but what your face says. So, if you came into school and you said, I'm having a good day. Would I ask you what's wrong? I probably would, because I would probably see that even though you said with your words, I'm having a good day, your face, with this expression of, did not match what your words said. Now, when we read things in books, we read the words, and then that's what the author does, and the illustrator, the person who draws the pictures, they match what the author said. Now, let's look up here. It says feelings should match pictures. Now, when you're reading a book, it would be really strange if the words didn't match the pictures, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'd be kind of silly. So whenever we're thinking about feelings matching pictures, we can think about authors and illustrators because the illustrator wants the pictures to match what the author has said. So let's look at these two things. I know my stick people look really silly, but let's look at this first stick person. Looks like their car had a flat tire, and they have a frown on their face. And then let's look at the second stick person. Oh, they got a trophy and they're smiling. So if my word was upset, which picture would match the word upset? You're right, it would be this one. This would match the word upset. What would be a word to describe this person right here? Maybe happy? Excited? Something like that would match them right there. So I can't wait to see your work, and I think that you're going to enjoy matching the pictures.